train and bus called the Skybus. It has yet to arrive in Mumbai, but a prototype is already running in the Indian state of Goa. A cure for congestion, travelling at 100 kilometers an hour. Each car hangs from rails 10 meters above the ground on flanged wheels. The same technology that keeps conventional trains on track, but upside down. With the car below, safety rises. Tracks are never blocked by other vehicles or animals. People.
You can never lose control, nor fall down, nor turn turtle. I mean, it is a safer system than the 150-year-old railway system.
Rajaram Bochi, the inventor of the anti-collision device for trains, dreamed up the Skybus. It's a homegrown solution to a homemade problem. In Mumbai, virgin real estate is as scarce as it is expensive. But the Skybus doesn't need 1 hectare of open land. It could run along the medians of Mumbai's highways. Rajaram designed the cars for the crowds of Mumbai. Each door is 4 meters wide. Easy in, easy out. No jostling and shoving. Each car can hold 150 passengers. Altogether, the Skybus could move as many people as a conventional train. It can even carry container cars.
In my opinion, no city can live without the Skybus solution.
Perhaps. But speed simply buys time. Inevitably, rails and roads will be overwhelmed.